Welcome back to my channel Hack the Academia. Today we are going to learn how to install Nessus Essential aka Nessus Home in Kali Linux. Before installation, just a brief summary of Nessus tool. So Nessus Essential is the free version of Nessus which is provided by Tenable company, one of the largest IT security company, and Nessus tool is required to scan a target host to identify the listed vulnerability in the target host which we are going to compromise. So vulnerability is the weakness of a system which can be exploited using the using the security tools, so that we can get the access to that machine. So, in the penetration testing or ethical hacking, vulnerability plays a very important role. And for identifying the vulnerability scanners are required. So, out of multiple tools, NASA is one of the strong tool which we can use to test our penetration testing skills. So, what I'll do, I'll directly jump onto Kali Linux and I will open the browser. So this is the Kali machine and I'll open the browser. Now in Google search for Nessus Essentials. So you have to click on this link, Nessus Essential Vulnerability Scanner. So click. So before downloading, it asks for some information like first name, last name, and the email ID. If you don't want to provide your personal mail ID, what you can do, you can create a temporary ID without any prior information. So that you can do through disposable email ID provider, that is YOP Mail. Disposable email addresses. So click on this and type for any username, any email ID. I'll type for Hacked Academia. I'll copy it and check for inbox. So this is the mailbox. So I'll put my name as Hacked Academia, and in mailbox put the mail ID at yopmail.com. Register. So it is saying thank you for registering for Nessus Essential. An email containing an activation code has been sent to your mailbox. So while installation, one activation code is required. So which we have to put, and then only we'll be able to install it. So what we'll do, we will download the tool, then we'll see how to install it. So I will check the mail whether I have received the mail or not. So this is the mail we have received. This is the activation code, and either you can click on download Nessus or you can move to this page and click on download. So I have clicked here. Nice. So this is the list of all the versions available based on the machine which you have. So Windows for multiple Linux machines like Ubuntu, like Red Hat and all. So since we are going to install on Kali Linux, we will download Debian based machine, Debian based distribution. So we'll click on this one, this link, Kali Linux AMD 64 Debian. So click on this, agree. It has started downloading. Yeah. So file has been downloaded. I'll go to download. We will open the terminal. Open the terminal. Yeah. So you have to move to download folder. downloads. Yeah, so here you can see what are the files available. Type ls. So this is the file which we have to download. So this file we will sorry, this is the file which we have to install. So type dpkg dpkg hyphen I parameter and the file name. So the file name is nasus. So this is the file name. You can type 2 3 starting words and press tab, so it will take all the entire full name. So then hit enter. It has started installing it. So guys, if you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe it for the latest videos. And also, if you don't know how to install the Kali Linux in VirtualBox, I have made a video on that topic also, so you can go through the that video. So I have put the link to that video in the description of this video, so you can go through those videos also. And if you have not subscribed our channel, so please subscribe it, because I'm going to start making videos on uh, penetration testing and ethical hacking, and where I will teach how to learn the basics of penetration testing, and also I'll teach how to use the penetration testing tools. So our machine has been installed, our tool has been installed. So what I'll do, I'll check whether that tool is running or not. So for checking it, you will have to type service service, then nasus d dot status. So it is saying the service is inactive. That means our nasus tool is not running. So we have to start the uh, nasus tool. So to start the nasus tool, we have to type service nasus d start. So now our nasus tool has been started. To ensure it, we can again check the status. It is saying active now. All right. So prior to this, I just want to show how to access the nasus tool in the browser. So it requires some URL and some port. So we will check on which port it is running. To check it, you have to type natstat natstat hyphen tnlp. Yeah. So you can see here 8834 is the port on which our tool is listening. So what I'll do, I'll go to my browser. In the new tab, I'll type localhost colon 8834. Bad request. So guys, our nasus tool runs on HTTPS port, HTTPS protocol. So we'll have to specify the HTTPS prior to localhost. So type HTTPS colon forward slash localhost colon port 8834. So it is showing me warning. Click on advance and accept the risk. So this is our first page of nasus, where our actual installation starts. So since we are installing Essential, which is the free version, so click on continue. This information is required to generate the activation code. So guys, already we have generated the activation code, so you can skip this step. So what I am going to do, I am going to skip it, and I will put directly my activation code. So this is my activation code. Copy it from here and type in the activation code box and click on continue. So it is asking us to type the username. So next time when we come to this page, it will ask us to enter the username and the password. So I'll type here hacked academia. Let's see password, yeah, academia. So now what it will do, it will fetch all the required plugins dependencies from the central server. So this is the step where it takes a lot of time, which requires internet connectivity. So we'll wait for some time. So guys, our installation has completed. You can see here we have given a lot of time to install the necessary files, but you have to have some patience. uh, you have to wait a lot here. Now what I'll do, I'll log in here. Will keep remember me. So no need to remember again the password and the username. Sign in. Yep. Guys, we have successfully installed Nessus Home in our Kali machine. So in the next video, I'll show you how to scan our very first machine and how to create the policies, customized policies, and also I will show you how to scan a vulnerable machine aggressively. So if you have not subscribed our channel, subscribe the channel for the new latest videos. Guys, if you have liked the video, hit the thumbs up. If you have any challenge while installation or download, you comment in the comment section. I will reply in on your comment. Thank you.